Hello, welcome to the class of PHP programming. So today we are going to discuss about the rollback command in MySQL database. So here the rollback command is used to cancel the transaction rather than committing it. So as in previous lecture we have discussed about the commit command, but now we are going to use the rollback command. So to use the rollback command, first of all you have to begin the transaction. So here I am using begin to begin the transaction. Next I am using the next command that I want to update the first account number, that is 12345, with the balance. I want to withdraw the 250 from that particular account number. Now the next I want to add this 250 rupees in the another account, that is 67890 account number. So now I want to see the account table, how it will look like now. So I'm using the command select star from accounts. So here you can see that previously it have 800 rupees in this first account, now it have 550 rupees, and in second account it have 390, now it will become 640. But this transaction, I did this transactions wrong. I want to cancel this transaction. Now to cancel this transaction, rather using commit command, I am using the rollback command here. So I have write rollback. Now again you can see that now it's again make the table changes to the previous one. So now the table have in the account number it have 800 rupees and 67890 account number have the 390 rupees. So it cancel the transaction. But if you will did the commit command, then it will never change the database to the previously database, because it have it that make the permanent changes to the database, whereas the rollback will cancel the transaction. So this is the way how we can use the rollback command in that. The next I'm using the explain command. So the to using the explain command, I have using this command, that is explain select star from account where number equals to 1 2 3 4 5. So here the MySQL have powerful tool for investigating how the queries that are issued are interrupted. So using explain command gets a snapshot of any query into finding out whether we could issue it in a better way or more efficient way. So it will take a snapshot of that particular data. So here as I will press enter to this command, it will give me the brief complete introduction for this particular account number 12345. So here it's that it ID is 1, select type is simple, table name is account, type is constant, and possible key is primary, and it have we have added the primary key to it, and key length is 4, reference is constant, row is 1, and extra we have nothing extra added to this table. So now here the first column, that is indicated by ID, that will give the information. The next one is the select type column. The selection type is simple. If you join the table, then it will show the join table. So as it is representing a single table here, so that's why it's showing the simple in the column with select type. Next is the table column. Its current table being queried is accounts. So here the table which we are using named as account. The next one is the column for type. The query type is constant from the least efficient to the most efficient type. So the possible value can be all index, range, reference, equal reference, constant, system, and null. So here we are using the constant for this table. The next one is the possible key column. There is a possible primary key. It means it have a primary key in it, and we can access it fastly by using the search process. The next one is the key column. It actually used in the primary. So here we are using the primary keys to add it. So the next one is the key length column. It will represent the length of the primary key, that is 4. This is number of bytes of the index that MySQL uses. The next one is the reference column. Column display which column or constant are used with the keys. So here the constant key is being used with this table. The next one is the row. The rows is the last one column, that it will represent the number of rows that needed to be searched by this query is 1, and here in extra we have doesn't added any of the value to it, so it's showing the null. So this is the way we can use the select explain command to get the snapshot of particular data that you want to see in this table. So this is all about using the rollback as well as the explain command in MySQL database. Thank you.